Hello, welcome. I'd like to invite you on a journey to build a computer processor from scratch. We'll be using this program, Digital. The reason to use this program is that it allows you to build a computer processor in a more visual way, and I'm hoping that'll make it a little bit more approachable, a little bit easier to understand. And you can play around and you can discover what different electronic components do and how they might be useful during the process of creating a processor. The other nice thing about this program is it allows you to export it to a couple of languages that you can use to program a programmable logic chip. And that allows us to actually run the computer processor that we build in actual hardware. One of the prerequisites to this series is to watch a couple of videos by Sebastian Lague. I will link them at the end of this video as well as in the description down below. Those videos cover some of the basics that I won't get into, and we'll fill you in on some of the details. So in this series, we'll go step by step and we'll introduce one small feature at a time. It won't look exactly like this computer when we're done. This is an older design that I have that actually runs, and that's why I'm showing it. But I can show you around a little bit. We'll be building something somewhat similar, but not exactly the same. So what I'm doing is just diving into some of the sub-circuits inside, just to kind of give you a taste for how this program kind of looks and what it does. With this, I'm just adding a couple of numbers, and you can see that 3 plus 2 is indeed 5. So it allows you to simulate the circuit and run it and play around with it and discover hopefully something new. So I hope you'll join me on this journey. I hope it'll be interesting. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.